Hey everybody, Phil with A-1 Duct Cleaning and Chimney Sweep here. Up here I got myself a dryer vent. So what we're going to do is we are going to clean this out using an air compression line. This is the air compression line, and this is the tool that we're going to use. It's hooked up to a high-powered air compressor. This is one way to do it. There's also a brush way. We'll make a video and we'll show you that. The tip of this has a tip on it. You'll see. So I don't know if you can hear it, but we're actually into flex duct. You'll hear the difference. We made it all the way into the flex duct. Air's flowing out really good now. Now, of course, we clean this all up. It kind of went all over, but we'll clean all this up. A lot of times, if there's if somebody has like underneath the vent, if they have stuff, plants or things like that, we'll insert a vacuum in to trap it. I just kind of wanted to shoot it out so everybody could see all that stuff flying out and also see what builds up. That dryer is about maybe 20 feet long, so it goes across the ceiling and then down the wall. Everything's all cleaned. Got a little bit of lint on the ground. Unfortunately, the ground was a little wet because it was raining, but I want to show that obviously that mess was all cleaned up.